I had filled out a ton of applications after I had lost my last job and I wasn't hearing anything, so I figured, why not? I walked in not knowing what to expect, but we went through some basics on my employment history, what I was looking for, and we were putting in job applications that day. It was fantastic.
She came in and she knew how to articulate exactly what it was that she was doing. Her answers for, like what happened with her past jobs was good. She didn't really stumble over anything. She was very honest. She also knew the direction that she wanted to go.
As far as QPS, I am super happy with how things worked out. I walked out of there knowing I would get one of those jobs. I held out for Aries.
We'd been out here to tour when we first got some of their openings. It's a very relaxed environment, but it's also super clean, it's very straightforward, and it's small and tight-knit. And just the way that she was describing what she was looking for, it just made sense.
This place is amazing. The people I work with from day one have been super supportive, and I fell right in within the first week. It was pretty cool. I find pride in the stuff that I do here at Aries. I mean, even if it's just pulling parts for the people downstairs, the guys downstairs have become my best friends.
And she gave me everything I needed to be successful to find her a job, and then she wanted to be successful. And so she showed up, she was on time, she asked the right questions. And honestly, she was one step ahead of me most of the time, so it was a pleasure to work with her.
And it's a sense of accomplishment. Like, I don't come to work to sit. I come to work to work. I want to make a difference. I want to help other people. I want to try new things and see if other things work if they're not working currently. I want to do better. I want to help the company grow as well.